Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data governance frameworks with Domo, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the fundamentals of data governance frameworks. Identify your organization's key data assets and the specific governance needs. Engage stakeholders from various departments to gather insights and requirements. Develop a clear data governance strategy that aligns with your organizational goals. Next, set up Domo as your primary analytics and data visualization tool. Connect Domo to your data sources, ensuring seamless integration across platforms. Create a data catalog within Domo to establish a centralized repository for all datasets. Define data stewardship roles to oversee data quality and compliance. Implement data governance policies directly within Domo's environment. Utilize Domo's visualization capabilities to create dashboards that monitor data governance metrics. Regularly review and update your data governance framework based on organizational changes. Conduct training sessions for users to enhance data literacy and adherence to governance policies. Incorporate feedback loops to continuously improve the framework. Leverage Domo's collaboration features to enhance communication about data governance initiatives. Monitor compliance with data governance policies using Domo's reporting tools. Make use of Domo's predictive analytics to foresee potential data governance challenges. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your data governance framework and make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.